Welcome to SRP Tips from Markers. Let's consider our hypothesis. The common mistake that students make is writing an incomplete hypothesis. So you need to make sure that your hypothesis is complete. Let's read the three examples here. If the warm-up is 5 to 8 minutes long, I will have a higher success rate in shooting netball goals. Well, than what? So we need to make sure that you complete your hypothesis by comparing it to the control experiment of without a warm-up. How does that affect your success rate? Let's look at the next one. I believe that music can have the capabilities to slightly alter a patient's heart rate depending on the tempo of the song being listened to. Alter the heart rate compared to what? Again, they've forgotten the control experiment of what they're comparing their experimental results to. And the last one, if a person were to chew a piece of gum while completing exams or other tasks, it will improve and stimulate their memories a lot more. A lot more than what? Than not chewing, so without the gum. So each time you write your hypothesis or think about your hypothesis, think about the other side of the experiment. Your hypothesis must also be testable. You have to be able to do it and you have to be able to measure it. So let's have a look at the sorts of things you should try to avoid. Try to avoid I believe statements. That's your opinion. Try to avoid saying things like it will be more effective. That is a subjective comment. More effective. How do you measure effectiveness? It might be an okay experiment, you just need to add some measuring in there. And it will be better. Who says so? What does better mean? The other thing you need to be careful of, make sure that your experiment is possible. Melting ice caps will cause sea level rise. Probably true, very difficult to do in a 10-week Year 10 experiment.